We have a great group for Thursday. This is just really pretty. These are all $9.99, except this one, because I paid twice that for it. But it is $14.99, and that's just a ridiculous deal. It's beautiful. It's a blue-red. It's red with the blue undertones, and it's a wool. It's 100% wool. It's beautiful. I mean, I just wish you could see how fine of a wool it is. It is very, very pretty. It really, I think it's light enough. You could almost go year-round, depending on where you are. But it's a really pretty piece of fabric. It's just a woven piece of fabric, and $14.99 is just a ridiculous price. But anyway, the good news is I want to bring you the best. It's marked $29.99 anyway. I want to bring you the best fabrics at the best prices. That's the goal. Because if you sew with inexpensive fabrics, it's just not good. You just won't have a good result. So this is a cotton poly. It has stretch in one direction. Just adorable. It's just a check with a floral, so it's really that combination of both. It is a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction, cotton poly. Okay. Then we have a pinstripe, but it's a very light pinstripe. I think this would be so pretty for a little pair of pants or jacket. It's 100% cotton. Really, I don't see a lot of difference between both sides. I mean, I think this is definitely the right side. This is a woven fabric. Again, $9.99. It's just crazy. 100% cotton is beautiful. Then we have this. This is 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions. And it's just great. In black and white, just very classic. Great knit, great drape, just beautiful. This is a stretch woven. It's also 100% viscose. It has stretch in one direction. The hand on this, the drape on this is incredible. This is $9.99, you guys. It's just craziness. But the drape is just really, really beautiful. Then this is 100% cotton. It has a very pretty, it's like a cream, yellowy cream. It's nice. It's got a slight pattern to it. 100% cotton would be great for jacket, pants. Very nice. Woven. No stretch to it at all. Very, very pretty. All right, so those are just the deal of the day. Happy Thursday and happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.